All right, today we are going to take what we learned about rounding numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1,000, and 10,000, and we're going to apply those to word problems. So you're going to have to round numbers to either the 10, 100, thousands, or 10,000s, and then solve a word problem involving addition and subtraction. So when we solve word problems using addition and subtraction, you need to represent your problem in some way. And so one of the ways that we can do that is by using a strip diagram. So a strip diagram is a tool to help us show what we know before we solve the problem. So you're going to set up your problem in a strip diagram, and then that just helps me know what you know, if you understand the problem or not, and it also just gives you a visual representation of what the problem is asking. The top section shows the whole, and the bottom section shows the parts that equal the whole. So these are examples. Here's your whole. You have one part and you're missing another part. In this example, you're missing your whole, but you have your two parts. This one would represent subtraction, because in subtraction, you know the whole, you're looking for something that is missing. And this one represents addition, or adding, because in adding you have two parts and you're going to add them together, you're going to combine them to make a whole. These are non-examples because your part is not going to go up here and your whole down here. This is a part and this is a part, this is your whole. Same thing here, you're not going to have a part on the top with a big box because that's your whole thing, and then these two would not be a whole, and this is correct, this is a part. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to use these, and then you're also going to be using them in your activities.